Hey guys, so a quick update. 8849, the brand that released the 8849 Tank 2, which is kind of like a brand that is owned by Unihertz, is going to be releasing the 8849 Tank 3. The Tank 3 is going to succeed the Tank 2. According to the brand, the Tank 3 will be released next month in November. And the Tank 3 is going to be the first rugged phone in the Tank series to support 5G. That's right, guys. It's going to be a 5G phone. According to the brand, the Tank 3 will have a 6.8-inch Full HD plus 120 Hz display. It's going to support 5G, like I mentioned earlier. It's going to support Wi-Fi 6. It's also going to feature a laser rangefinder. So these are the few details that are mentioned by the brand. More details are expected to be released very, very soon. So this device is coming next month. Once I get more details about this phone, I'll let you guys know. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because once I get more updates about this rugged phone, I'll share with you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.